Laundries have been hiding it from you all this time. We have all once wanted the laundry to be faster and easier to do. Today, I will show you some incredible laundry secrets that everyone should know. Laundry owners will be annoyed with me when I tell you. So pay close attention so you can put them into practice in your next laundry. Number 1. To keep the softness and color of the clothes for longer, you don't need to use a fabric softener. Instead, you can use salt as an alternative, since it is cheap and we all have it at home. Simply place a spoonful in the soap compartment and wash as usual. By the end, you will realize that the clothes will be soft and its color will look alive for longer. Number 2. With constant contact, over time the clothes fill up with balls and fluff, especially if you have pets at home. To avoid this, whenever you go to wash them, add 2 or 3 damp towels to the washing drum. I would like to know from which country you are watching me to send you a special greeting. By the end, you will notice how these will remove a large part of the fluff and will stick to the towels. Number 3. When you wash very often, the filters on the washing machine can get covered by the fluff and dirt particles that come out of the clothes. This can be avoided by using a steel sponge to scrub. Just place it inside the empty drum next to a spoonful of sodium bicarbonate and put it to wash for 10 minutes. At the end of the washing, you will notice the difference. Number 4. If for some reason you ran out of detergent and need to wash urgently, you can use the buckle rinse as an alternative. Put a lid on the drum for every 3 liters of water and wash as usual. The rinse will not only give a rich smell of freshness, but it will also eliminate germs and bacteria. Number 5. Drying clothes is usually the part of the laundry that consumes the most time and energy. If you want your wet clothes to dry faster, just add a dry towel when centrifuging and it will dry in half the time. Number 6. With the friction that is done when washing, the clothes create static energy that can be dangerous for you when you remove them from the drum. To avoid this, just take an aluminum sheet of paper and make a ball with it. Then put it inside the drum, and it will be responsible for discharging the energy.
Energía.